If you want new vehicles and a full fleet for those medical contracts, open your bank account. I need your attention for just 5 minutes. Bluevine is the heavyweight of the elite digital business banking in 2026. Their checking accounts are elite digital banking at your fingertips. The kind of financial setup that lets you move fast while everyone else is still standing in traditional banking lines, coupled with responsive customer service when you need it. If you are a startup, business, medical courier, independent contractor, and small business owner, 1099 earner, or government contractor looking to finance vehicles or secure that new office lease in Washington, D.C., you already know you cannot mix personal and business money. Why not do it the Bluevine way? You should have at least 3 business checking accounts. Opening a Bluevine account today, the application takes 5 minutes. If you're an LLC or corporation, just have your EIN and articles of incorporation ready. If you're a sole proprietor or independent contractor, all you need is your social security card and a valid U.S. ID, even a driver's license or passport. You must be at least 18 years old. Once you're all set up, make sure you watch my video above $50,000 small business loans and funding with bad credit. I always educate entrepreneurs that you need at least 3 checking accounts to manage your cash flow and operations properly. Traditional banks like Chase or Wells Fargo want your money to just sit there for free. They aren't paying you. Bluevine is next level because it actually pays you to bank there. You have 2 elite options. Bluevine Standard, your money grows while you work and even while you sleep. Bluevine Premier. If you're scaling large, Premier offers even higher interest on unlimited balances, priority support, and discounted wires. Both options have 0 monthly fees with qualifying activity and no minimum balance. Traditional banks can't match these perks, Jules. Support the Diamond Hunter Enterprises Jewel community. Do you need access to cash while on the go? For my hairstylists, contractors, and couriers, convenience is everything. You need to handle your business from your driver's seat. Bluevine, you have access to over 90,000 green dot locations, including Walgreens, CVS, and Walmart. You can deposit cash where you already are and deposit your contract checks directly from your mobile app in seconds. You stay on the road, you stay making deliveries, and your bank keeps up with you. You are not sitting in long, hectic lines at traditional banks. Bluevine is backed by Coastal Community Bank and is FDIC insured up to $3 million. In my mentorship and one-on-one coaching program, I provide the roadmap for scaling and pivoting your business toward multi-million-dollar contracts. You need a bank that can scale with you as you grow from 1 vehicle to a full fleet, and from your first contract to consistent government contract awards. That is what professional positioning looks like. Right, Jules? Don't wait. Get your EIN and your ID ready now and click that link below to open your Bluevine account today. Once you are set up, go watch that small business loan video so we can get you funded for that 2026 Infiniti SUV Sprinter or box truck. If you are ready to scale your operations, drop a money emoji in the comments below. Stay focused, blessed, and let's get those wins in 2026.